I had never felt as small as I did standing at the base of Devil's Tower, craning my neck back, staring up at the columns rising into the sky above. Nearly 4 football fields tall, the rocks jutted into the sky as if touching the very heavens, and today we'd try and climb it.
That's the one right there.
Devil's Tower rises 1,267 feet above the Belle Fourche River. A sacred place to over 20 Native American tribes, the tower is also known as Bear Lodge. Devil's Tower was designated as America's first national monument in 1906 by President Theodore Roosevelt. There is no truly easy method to reach the summit of the tower, as many adventurer throughout history has come to find. One popular method for reaching the tower's summit is recreational trad climbing. Here, you see Peter beginning the first pitch of a climb known as Assembly Line, a 5-9 difficulty climb that begins in this meandering scramble that eventually gets to a perfect hand crack that goes on for hundreds of feet. I'll follow up, go up to the ledge, and meet him up there. We'll do the hand crack next. What a beautiful day out here.
All right, well, Pete, now I got you up here for a moment. What do you think of the current political unrest in Canada?
Well, they don't have much to complain about, you know.
Howdy, guys. So we're a third of the way up. Basically, Pete got us up here, leading like a monster. And now we're doing a gear switch, so he's gonna take back all the cams that we used. We got the tunes, we're up here partying. So it's another day in paradise in Wyoming. We came from there, now we gotta go up there. Can you see this crack? It's incredible. Look at that. You almost ready? Oh boy.
One thing, last thing to do, and that's just to do it.
Stem and finger jam in this crack until you can start burying your hands to the wrist. The finger section near the bottom is usually considered the technical crux. The rest of the hand crack, which affords no true rests, is considered the endurance crux. Your efforts should get you to a large belay ledge on the face of the column to the left with a 2 big bolt anchor.
Okay, so I made the rest on the little thingy here. Oh God, I'm tired. But we did her. Look, there we go.
This is so awesome. Peter's crushing it, send by. We're out here in beautiful Wyoming. Just a beautiful day out here as I'm about to take off in the second belay. Peter's above me. Maybe you can see his silhouette up there. He's about to pull on the rope, bring me up this crack. So, a few hundred feet of suffering later, and I'll be up there with him. You know, but the fun thing is to challenge yourself and get out here. Get up on top of these things. And, you know, you're watching me from home do this. You can do it too.
But the principle of unity is not to try to obtain power over the rest of the universe. That will only disturb it and antagonize it and make it seem less one with you than ever. The way to become one with the universe is to trust it as another, as you would another.
Cool up here. So cool up here. It's been up here with your feet. It's been up here with you, buddy. Sure is cool.
Nice work there, homie. All right, this is it. This is a official top. I put my helmet there. It's the highest point on the tower. There used to be a famous sign that said, "No climbing beyond this point," which is pretty hilarious.
Well, it used to be at the bottom.
It was at the bottom?
Oh, when they brought it up here.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's very funny.
What's up, brother?
Scotty, give me a howdy.
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 We just got fully attacked by peregrines on the way up.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah,
On the route that was open. We literally climbed over 3 eggs that were on a ledge. It was so fucked up.
Peregrine Falcon? What's that? Peregrine falcons are the largest falcon and the fastest animal on Earth. They primarily hunt other birds in flight and catch their prey by diving at speeds over 200 miles an hour. These dives, or stoops as they are called, are faster than speeds reached by NASCAR drivers. They nest on cliff faces and crevices high above the ground, where it is extremely difficult for predators to reach their eggs. Devil's Tower is an ideal location for peregrines who prefer open habitats such as meadows and grasslands for hunting, while the steep rock cliffs provide an excellent place for nesting. Seasonal closures are common at the tower, and a list of these closures can be found at the ranger station at the bottom. Unfortunately for Peter and myself, the assembly line was not included in the list of closures.
Okay. Well. All right, well, the routes we want to climb are closed because of the falcons that are nesting up there. So I guess we just have to climb something harder.
Yep.
What is it? Assembly line?
It's gonna be sick.
Yeah. Yes.
They do not build a stick nest, instead they lay their eggs directly on a flat stone surface high up on the cliff. They usually lay 2 to 6 eggs, which are speckled and red color. If you encounter a nest while climbing, the best course of action is to stay calm and move quickly past the site without disturbing the eggs.
Well, good job, Pete.
Thanks, brother.
Yeah.
That was awesome.
Oh. We got attacked by peregrines on the way up.
Yeah. So that side's closed.
We don't want to
for
film
peregrine nesting. And then we get up to the damn ledge over here, and there's 3 eggs on it, and we're getting buzzed like 6 inches away from our. And I was up there with no gear, like, ah! All I could do is scream at it.
It was wild. Yeah. Yeah, I was just watching it come right next to his head, and he's just on lead, like 20 feet up with rope out. And he's like, they're gonna knock me off the cliff.
Poor little birds.
We want those birds to be able to hatch.
We need to close the north side.
We'll call it in.
Yeah.
We'll call them in and have them close that route, or that whole side. Because they were very agitated.
Yeah.
But very cool to see.
That could be a dangerous situation quickly.
All I can say is be true. You know? You gotta have a good heart, a good mind. And everything will come out in the end. If you just believe in yourself, and you take that heartfelt connection to your soul and spread it to others, your wildest dreams will come true. One day you too will stand on top of your dreams.
Rappelling off the summit of Devil's Tower is equally as impressive as climbing it. With multiple rappels, enjoy your last few minutes free hanging above the beautiful Wyoming countryside.